Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Nosy here. Today's episode is going to be all in English. Ta-da! I know it's a first, and I know it may be a little bit challenging for you to follow. That's why there's subtitles. Alright, so today's topic is going to be my daily beauty routine. Ta-da! Alright, are you ready? Let's get it! I would like to share with you what I do on a daily basis. Now, I want you to pay a little attention here. This is not just a video about my beautification, of course, but it's also a video where I'm going to use first, second, third, and step by step, and finally, blah, 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 so that next time when you're talking about something that takes more than one step, you can use this kind of sentence formation. The example that I'm using today, as I said, will be my daily skincare routine, okay? Many of my friends probably know that I don't usually put on makeup. I only do makeup for recordings. So it is not very fun to look at my makeup collection. I only have lipsticks. So I'm going to talk to you about my skincare routine. I don't use a lot of stuff because, first of all, I am very allergic. Super allergic. Now, what I start with would be in the morning, I wash my face, of course, but only with water. I do not use any kind of cleanser. No foam, no. No gel, no. Why? Because I think all the cleansers that makes bubbles or not, they are all chemicals, and I'm very allergic, so I prefer not to use them. So first step, wash your face with water. Now I am combination to oily skin, okay? I'm not dry skin at all. No. I probably can see, these, my oil, okay? Not highlighters, oil. Yes, okay. So that's my first step, wash my face with water. Second step, pat dry, of course. Third, I use toner, okay? I love toners, and usually I use herbal ones. Herbal ones meaning there's flower in them, and I would recommend rose water. If you have skin problems like breakouts or acne, I recommend witch hazel, because I'm not selling anything, so I'm not going to be showing you any bottles. No bottles. If this is in the morning, I use my toner. I use a facial mask, a sheet mask. I use 2 masks per day. Yes, that is my holy grail, I'll say, yes. So after my 5 to 10 minute mask, take it off, pat dry. That's pretty much it. That's it for the morning. Except if it's in the winter, I will put on some day cream. That will be my final step before my sunscreen. Now, the thing about me is that I always use sunscreen. 365 days a year, not a day skipped. Every single day, sunscreen. Why? Because I am allergic to the sun. You heard that right? Yeah, very sad. After work, I'm home. Now it's the nighttime. First thing I do, I clean my face with facial wipes. Now, I do not use oil facial wipes. Why? Because I don't wash my face with cleanser. If you use anything that has oil in them, it makes it very hard to clean your pores if you don't use facial cleansers, according to me. Okay, not according to anyone, according to me. All right, so for me, very important thing, I use the facial cleanser wipes to wipe away the sunscreen that I use every day. Once I've done my facial wipes, I take a shower. Right after shower, my sheet mask again. Yes, that's what I do every single day. 2 masks. After the mask, I use, it really depends on my mood, but usually I don't use cream. If it's in the winter, I use cream 3 times a week. That's it. Because like I said, I'm very combination to oily skin. Moisturizer that I usually go with would be jelly type. I don't know why. I like it. Okay. So I still use moisturizer. It's just as jelly. Okay. I put them all over my face. Very thick. That's it. For winter and for summer, the jelly works perfect. And that's all I use. Honestly, I don't use a lot of things. Why? Because they are burdens to your skin. Unless you have a very, 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 very big skin problem. I still don't suggest you use too much product because it's not good for your skin. What do you want me to say? Like, if your skin has a lot of problems and you're still using a lot of things on it, it's just gonna ruin your face and a story, right? Alright, so let's go over what I use every day. First, every day I do 2 masks per day. Second, sunscreen. 365 days a year, not a day skipped. Sunscreen, okay? Third, I use cleansing wipes. Fourth, I don't wash my face with facial cleansers, okay? And finally, don't put too much stuff on your face, okay? That's all I want to talk about for today. Alright, 如果大家有看到最后的话，到这边才来讲中文哦。大家可以想一下，你刚刚看的这一部影片啊，是不是我有讲1、2、3、4这样子有顺序的讲法来讲英文？其实，在英文啊，1、2、3、4这种顺序讲法是真的很常听到的东西 ，OK？ 所以呢，大家可以听一下，想一下，下次你就知道，如果你有事情啊是有顺序的话，就可以用一样的方式来解释哦。Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.